Well, you know, people come in to me to do skin rejuvenation, microdermabrasion, a very effective way of sandblasting the skin almost imperceptibly and exfoliating. Well, I thought, could I develop something that you could use at home that would be effective? And so I developed the microdermabrasion formula that has fine crystals to help exfoliate the skin without flaking. And it has aloe, so it's soothing. It has glycolic acid, which penetrates a little deeper. For men, this is a great, when on the weekend, if they don't want to shave and they feel a little grungy, my male patients tell me this really refreshes and zests up their face. And it has vitamin C and E, so it helps to give your skin the enrichment it needs while exfoliating. Now, if you do this after you cleanse and tone, everything else you do will penetrate a little deeper. And so here we are with this very lovely these fine crystals that you use. You can use it in the shower. You can use it just normally about once or twice a week. You can use it on your hands as well. But over here, you just rub in, and it feels a little bit abrasive. It's supposed to be a little bit abrasive. That's how it's exfoliating. Now you can say to yourself, why not use those brushes, the loofah brushes? Let me exfoliate with that. The problem is that they're loaded with bacteria. So here you are, you're breaking your skin, and then you're filling it with bacteria. With this system, everything is very hygienic and it's very clean. You exfoliate with this microdermabrasion, and then you put nutrition back in. So what are we going to do next? We are going to use the revitalizing formula. That is a boost of energy, you know, a boost of vitamin C for your skin. You've exfoliated. Now you're going to use something that's loaded with vitamin C, loaded with vitamin E. It also contains an AHA, and it has arbutin that helps improve the discolorations of the skin. So I made this in a very light mist, and some people, they're not sure how to use it. Well, what you do is you spray it on your neck, just here, and then as you do that, you just work it all up. So it's just very lovely, and it's light, and it's so, you just work it all up. It's so refreshing. You start on your neck and work all the way up. And this is, you know, we know that the sailors, when they didn't have vitamin C, they developed scurvy, because vitamin C is very important for the production of collagen. So you need to give your skin this, and this is in a very high dose so that it really revitalizes. Once you start to use this, you cannot be without it. It's very refreshing, very rejuvenating. So that's the next thing you can do. Now, what about those brown spots, those age spots that occur as we get older? Or maybe you've had some acne scarring, you have some discoloration. Well, what else can you use? The pigment formula. What does this pigment formula do? It does, in a very natural way, helps block melanin production. That's what causes the brown spots. But it does it in a way that's non-irritating. So this has 3 separate ingredients that helps with the pigment production. It has thyme, it has arbutin, and it has sepa white. 3 different ways. And this is something you can also use for the brown spots that occur with pregnancy. How do you use it? Again, this comes in a pump, and you put in a small amount, and then you just rub it all over. So here, you see, after you've put on that revitalizing, then here you just rub that in. And you can just rub that in all over. You see, you put that all over. Now, you might say, if I'm putting the pigment formula on, maybe I should just put it on the brown spots. No, you put it all over. What it does is it evens out the production of pigment in the skin. So it makes your skin work more effectively.